By a sparkling river under a bright blue sky lived a clever monkey and a hungry crocodile. And their story is full of friendship and a very tricky plan.
Sweet mangoes. This tree is the best, mister.
The monkey lived happily high in his mango tree.
I'm so hungry.
Hey! Want some mango?
And so, a friendship began.
Here, take more.
You're very kind.
We're friends.
They laughed, talked, and shared food every day.
You eat fruit all day?
My friend gives them.
Then his heart must be sweet. I want it!
But not all hearts are kind. As I can't hurt my friend. Bring it on breath! The crocodile faced a terrible choice. And
Come visit my home!
I can't swim. I'll carry you.
And the monkey trusted his friend. I must tell you, my wife wants your heart.
My what?
the truth came too late.
Oh, I left my heart on the tree! You did? Yes! Take me back! Quick thinking can save the day. Gotcha! Wait! My heart is inside me, silly! Ah!
The monkey was safe. Once again.
I'm sorry. You broke my trust.
Trust, once broken, is hard to fix.
I'll stay in my tree. I understand. And so, the monkey stayed safe, and the crocodile learned a hard lesson. I'll stay in my tree. I understand. And so, the monkey stayed safe, and the crocodile learned a hard lesson.